I know you all are interested to know the topic today that we will bring under discussion. It is notion of mortality in the poetry of Shah, Latif, Bhittai. Let me also elaborate the term mortality in simple diction or in simple everyday use of vocabulary. Mortality word means death. According to Shah Sahab, death is inevitable. Man, material, machine, or other objects of life, all are subjected to decline, decay, and death. People will die. Things will perish. The people we love, they will also die. The world we live in will also perish one day. Imagine if things we use will perish. The world in which we live, it will also die. It will perish. The people we love, they will also die. What else will remain? Why did we come? These are the questions that we will bring under discussion.